You don't need approval for who you are. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're doing well. If you haven't already, please subscribe, comment, like and share this video if you enjoy it. So today's video is all about, being aware of who you are as a person, being aware of your personality and not letting people get in the way and not dimming your light just to fit other people's characteristics of what they think of you. You have to be able to know exactly the type of person you are, know exactly what you want in life and go for it. And most of the time some people would be intimidated by other characters that may be in the room. Once you've got confidence in what you have to offer, when you have confidence in your being, when you have confidence in everything that you have, even including accepting all your flaws and all, then you will never ever seek approval from other people. You see this so many times on social media where people try and portray a persona of what they think, for example, a model should be like, or what they think an actress should be like. Sometimes being the best version of yourself, being exactly who you are, may be the missing piece that people want. There's so many people that look alike. Why would you try and spend so much time trying to look like other people, trying to fit into the status quo, trying to be like the other women that you see, or trying to be like other people that you see? There's so much that you have to offer as a person, and it's important to be comfortable in your own skin. Follow your dreams and be your own cheerleader sometimes, and not wait for people to validate your dreams. Do not wait for people to tell you that's a great idea, to go for it. Sometimes you just have to push through if you believe that you're going to achieve it. So don't forget to accept yourself for exactly and 100% accept yourself for who you are, even if that means you're different from other people. Just a little reminder to make sure that you don't wait for approval from other people. If you know that this is something that you truly want, then you should go for it. Okay, thank you for tuning in today. Don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section below and let me know different ways you have come to terms with accepting yourself, and I'll see you next time. Bye.